NASA is ramping up for a major launch this weekend, and California scientists played a major role. NASA's launching the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope on Sunday. Once up and running, it's expected to provide a wide, detailed view of the universe like we've never seen. Scientists hope to use the telescope to learn about dark energy, exoplanets, and cosmic structures. And that's all thanks to the NASA Ames Research Center in the Bay Area. And Russ Belikov joins us live. So, Russ, you work specifically with exoplanet technologies. What was your part in developing the Roman telescope?
So thanks for your interest in the Roman Space Telescope, by the way, and happy to talk about it. My role in the Roman Space Telescope goes back a decade or more ago in developing an instrument called the coronagraph, which creates an artificial eclipse of a star so you can see planets going around it. And also more recently, we have a special mask that was developed at NASA Ames to image planets around multi-star systems like Alpha Centauri. So we can see planets not just around single stars like our sun, but also around multi-star systems like Alpha Centauri.
That's fascinating. So basically, because those stars are so bright, you have to eclipse them so you can see what's behind the light.
That's right. And you may know that there was an eclipse, a total solar eclipse, just 2 weeks ago. So in the same way, Roman will be creating an eclipse, but it's going to be creating it inside the telescope using special masks with an instrument called a coronagraph. And that enables you to block the star so you can see planets. Just like in a normal eclipse, the moon blocks the sun and you can see the corona, but you can also see our solar system planets like Venus in daylight with the eclipsed sun. In the same way, a instrument called a coronagraph that's flying in Roman can block the star to see planets around the stars other than the sun.
So with the launch just a few days away now, what's going through your mind as you're getting ready for Sunday?
Oh, wow. It's first of all, I'm super thrilled and excited. A lot of us have been working on this for more than a decade. And so just the anticipation of seeing all of those years of work and my colleagues' work going up in a rocket and into space and culminate in this great observatory that we're about to see is very exciting, almost overwhelming. How cool it's going to be.
Yeah, and what are some of the things you'll specifically be looking for once the telescope begins to send us images back?
Yeah, well, first the telescope is going to go through a commissioning phase just to check out that everything works well. And one of the key goals of the telescope, at least related to the work that I'm doing, is to test that the coronagraph works and to see how well it works, and then for it to start detecting actual planets that are orbiting other stars. And one of the key things that it will deliver is the first ever images of planets around stars by reflected light. Previous planets that have been detected by direct imaging were planets that were emitting light by themselves because they're so young and so hot that they glow. Wow. But now Roman, for the first time, will be able to see light from planets by reflected light from their stars.
That's pretty amazing. All right, Russ, thank you so much for joining us and explaining all of that. There's a lot to take in. We're looking forward to it on Sunday, and we're really excited for everything you personally have been working on, and everyone at NASA Ames in the Bay Area. Thank you. And our coverage of this weekend's launch continues tomorrow morning. Brandy Cummings and Mike Cherry will talk with a member of NASA's integration and test team at 9:45 tomorrow morning on My 58.